Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lee County in central Mississippi, northeastern Madison County in central Mississippi until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Canada. Tornado warning for northwestern Lee County in central Mississippi. In central Mississippi until 2. Time at 1:44.
Crowd of the
tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Central Standard Time. Campbell and Cameron around 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Damage to Move 2:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Speed limits not likely. Move to a floor of a if you are outdoors, in a hotel or in a vehicle, move to the place of substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Oh, they're back now for some people. I was the one who got the
All right,
We'll have some more community.
This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi.
Over and over again.
Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for tornadoes. Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lee County in central Mississippi, northeastern Madison County in central Mississippi until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:44 p.m. Central Standard Time is likely. Remember, a tornado watch. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sharon around 1:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Flying debris. Campbell and Cameron around 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time.
He agreed, still without
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a structure.
System.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a motor or in a vehicle,
That's for tires.
and protect yourself. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 21, effective until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties.
It'll lower house payment.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later.
Without the
Will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sharon around 1:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Camden and
Which will be moving across.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Hazard, tornado. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Delivery options and pay over.
50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Camden and Cameron around 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Town around 2:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
People leave stitches. Dr. Michael Albert. Happening on the northern edge.
Come out and criticize us. In our local area, we've got some people, they call it the Gang of Eight. There aren't a lot of them, but they are very vocal, and they just